Hello, thank you for entering this ninth video in our series. I understand that you are interested in optimizing power transformer management and ensuring that your electrical infrastructure or facilities are prepared for today's challenges. Could you tell me a little bit about what goals you have in mind?
Hi, that's right. We are looking to modernize our operations and improve safety in our facilities, but we also have to deal with old equipment and a staff that is not always familiar with new technologies. It is a cultural and operational challenge.
I fully understand this. These types of transitions often encounter resistance to change and other organizational challenges, but with a holistic approach, these barriers can be overcome. For example, when implementing new technologies, it is key to train staff so that they understand the benefits and can actively participate in the changes. This not only improves their engagement, but also fosters a culture of continuous learning.
That makes sense. But we've also had problems with communication between departments. This has caused us more than one headache when trying to coordinate large projects.
This is quite common. To address poor communication, I would recommend establishing clear and transparent channels and scheduling regular interdepartmental meetings. This ensures that everyone is aligned and can share relevant information without barriers. The union between departments makes the company much stronger.
What about security? We've seen news about cyber attacks on energy infrastructures. How can we protect ourselves?
Excellent question. Cybersecurity is critical in this sector. One of the first steps is to segment networks and adopt international standards such as IEC 62351, which strengthen communication security. In addition, updating your systems regularly and training your team in cybersecurity are key measures. This reduces the risk of attacks, such as denial of service attacks or malware specific to industrial systems.
That sounds good, but many of our systems are quite old. Modernizing them seems like a monumental task.
It is true that it can be a challenge, but it does not necessarily imply replacing everything immediately. The most important thing is what you are doing right now, taking the first step to start down that path. One effective strategy is to use communication gateways to translate legacy protocols to modern ones. This allows your legacy equipment to work with current technologies while you plan a gradual upgrade.
That gradualism could help us a lot. How do you ensure that staff can handle both the old and the new?
Training is key. For example, ongoing training programs that address power transformer diagnostics, maintenance, and operation can prepare your team to deal with any scenario. Partnering with specialized institutions or new collaborators is also a great idea to ensure your staff is up to date.
Very interesting. Finally, what about regulations? We have had inspections, but it is never clear if we are 100% compliant because of the complexity of it.
Compliance with regulations is essential. Regulations such as the REBT and ITC establish the safety and maintenance standards that must be followed. In addition, the professionals involved must be certified and up to date. This not only ensures legal compliance, but also protects people and prolongs the life of your equipment. Many regulations are small steps to take so that a facility not only functions properly, but is also safe for your workers.
Thank you. That clarifies a lot for me. I see that there are many areas where we can improve.
I'm glad to hear about your initiative to improve. If you are ready, we can work out a detailed plan to address these areas, tailored to your needs. Together, we can make this transition efficient and beneficial for everyone.
What should I do now?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacarrata through LinkedIn. He will guide you through this process and can clarify any other doubts you may have got. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed.